to the garage and Vince. 4 cars in clash practice pile up off turn 2.
Pretty late entrance here. Listen real quick. Right there, you heard a slight lockup of a tire, and I think he went to react to that lockup of the tire. And when he went into third gear to downshift,
The 12, 2 back is all right. Up in the middle. Grab the brake. Grab the brake. Nothing behind us. Nothing behind us. Okay, lock it down, lock it down. Come right back to the top. Right back to the top. Keep it rolling.
Visor cam, Ryan Priest, this is the roof cam. Look at this.
Check up, check up, check up, check up, check up. Woo! Gonna split you here, gonna split you. Lock it in. 2 wide, back to 3. Oh, we're working again.
Bowman.
Going down toward turn 1 here. Car never turns.
and usually when the tire goes.
Hold on up there. We're in the wall, guys. We're in the wall, guys.
What's going on there, but like a right front.
Hang on, hang on.
Again, right on entry.
Hold the brake. Hold the brake.
Into that braking zone. Sounds like as it loaded the right front tire, you heard it pop. Into turn 3. It looked like he knew he had a problem, but he went wide.
Clear, clear. Keep spinning out. We are going to get a call. It's still green. Keep working.
The black car.
You can see.
Yeah.
I don't know if it's a brake issue at the left front, or he locked up the tires. It looked to me like a brake issue. Anytime you got Kyle Larson jumping to your outside, you know that you're going to have to pick up the throttle a little bit sooner to keep it from getting to the outside.
So what happened? Here's Eric Jones. You're riding with Joey Logano?
I mean, it doesn't take much, but there's no doubt about it. Ross Chastain made contact.
Get it.
Outside, 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 outside. Log it down, get it rolling here, get it rolling. Leaders are going to be coming, get it rolling, get it rolling, get it rolling. Stay up there, still inside. Be ready, guys. Right side, just in case.
So it's so hard to tell with Kyle Larson whether or not he brushed the wall and come in and taken left side tires under green because he had that issue. And right here, I'm just wondering if they didn't get that fender clear or something caused the left rear tire to actually blow and turn around.
Yeah, you could hear it engine.
And Truex riding with Larson here.
Hang on in.
That is some awesome driving right there.
Got the back. Keep coming up top, keep coming up top. Keep coming up top.
I don't think I ever heard him check up.
Credit 1 cam on board Kyle Larson.
I mean, from right there, it just looks like the 3 of Austin turns down on him, but the 18 was closing so fast, I don't think Austin Dillon had any idea the 18 could even get there.
2's coming to you in line, half at 2, right on you. Still outside. Let him got tire up here. Outside. Clear up, clear up, clear up, up. Tosses up.
Oh, Yeah, he just checked. Yeah, he had to check up because it fixed this car. Be back in this thing.
Daniel Suarez, nice evasive action.
He certainly felt something because he bailed out of the throttle. Ooh, wow. Now, we had just talked about how tight. Oh, my goodness. He goes by him on the outside.
Gosh.
Oh. We're right at the last second. I think there's definitely a little contact right there at the end.
A little kiss.
But I wouldn't be surprised if he was a little loose.
As we went to caution for this.
Oh, I see. Austin Dillon takes these guys 3 wide. Nice move by him going into turn 1. Yeah, you could hear he already started losing grip, getting out of the throttle. Bam. And then once they made contact, it was all over from there. He was just a long. You lose front grip. Yeah, he got in the splitter really hard. He was carrying a ton of speed.
Well, let's see. He's been off at turn 2.
Was holding 34 up a little bit. Harvick saw an opportunity, but then 34 closed the door and they made contact. Right here. Close the door.
Not exactly sure where Kevin Harvick was going to go.
I think he thought he'd follow that 48 out a little wider and he gets some inside room.
What the team do when they take it away from the tire to make it right?
Well, you heard right there. Kyle doesn't even think it's as much the outside of the car. What he's talking about is the panels.
Pressure on your car completely changes the way it drives. Lost the back of the car.
Hold it up there. Inside here. Keep taking it one more inside here.